Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this super defined, voluminous, bouncy wash and go using products from the brand Nature's Little Secret. If you haven't heard of Nature's Little Secret, they are amazing and their products are great. I will definitely link their information in the description box. But I did this look for a holiday party and I absolutely loved the results, so I wanted to share how I achieved them with you guys. So if you want to see that, just keep watching. So these are the products I'm going to be using. I'm starting with the Avocado Moisture Cream, and here are the ingredients if you want to pause that. And then I'm going to be following that with the Flaxseed Curly Custard, which is pretty much the star of the show. This stuff is amazing. And again, here are the ingredients if you want to pause and read them. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. And I'm going to just go ahead and re-wet my hair with some water just to make sure that I'm locking in the moisture from the products. And then once my hair is nice and saturated with water, I'm going to go ahead and start with the Avocado Moisture Cream. This stuff smells so good. It smells amazing. And then the moisture from this product is phenomenal. I actually used this to refresh my hair once. I used it at night, and then when I woke up in the morning, I kind of fluffed out my hair and tried to restyle it, and it gave me so much moisture. It was amazing. So I absolutely love this product. It is a limited edition product, so you can only get it certain times during the year. They had it available on their website during Black Friday, and then it sold out, but they actually brought it back because it was so popular. So they're selling it, I believe, through Christmas, and then I don't know if it'll be available in the new year, but if you can get your hands on it, definitely get it. It is currently available on their website, and I believe it's $13. I'll put that information on the screen above, but this is just an amazing product. I absolutely love it, absolutely recommend it. So if you can get your hands on it, definitely get it. But so I'm going to go ahead and just detangle. I'm using this brush that I got on Amazon. I really wanted to get the Felicia Leatherwood brush, but by the time I went to go get it, it was sold out pretty much everywhere that it's sold. So until that one's available, I went ahead and got this one off of Amazon. I'll link that in the description box as well. But so next I'm going to go in with the Flaxseed Curly Custard, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to each section. This curly custard smells really good as well. It smells really sweet and kind of bakery-like, I guess, but it works really well. It's smooth through my hair really nicely, and I don't know if that's because the avocado cream was underneath it that made it glide through so easily, but it definitely had a ton of slip. And it gave me amazing definition. Like, you can just see it as I'm applying. That definition is crazy. So flaxseed products tend to be hit or miss for me. Sometimes they work really well in my hair and sometimes they just don't do anything at all for me. But this one definitely provided a lot of definition. Not so much hold, but it doesn't really claim to give a lot of hold, so I wasn't expecting that from it. But it definitely gave me defined, super shiny, beautiful curls. So I definitely like this product and recommend it as well if you can get that. I will link that also in the description below. I believe it was something like $14. Again, I'll put that on the screen as well. But so I'm just going to do the same thing throughout my hair on small sections. I was actually kind of rushing. I usually would do smaller sections than this, but I was getting ready to go to a holiday party, so I was rushing a little bit through. But again, I'm just going to go through each section, apply the Flaxseed Curly Custard after detangling with this brush, and I will show you how that turns out. Alright, so these are my final results after blow drying with a diffuser. I absolutely love how it turned out. There is so much shine, so much definition. My hair was moisturized and just, it was a great wash and go. I absolutely love these results, and the moisture lasted for days, so I definitely recommend, especially the avocado cream, but both of these products. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from Nature's Little Secret. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you again so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys in my next video.